wanted a classic car so badly that I bought my favorite DTM classic. This is a 1991 Mercedes-Benz limited edition Avantgarde Rosso, which only had 4,000 to 5,000 pieces made. To start off, the Mercedes-Benz 190E Avantgarde Rosso only came in burgundy paint job. The previous owner made the roof black, but then it has a sunroof, which I'm very excited about. That's why I actually bought it. Now, if you don't know, the Mercedes-Benz 190E came with two different types of side mirrors. The one here is actually shorter than the next one. This is controlled by a button inside, and then the other is controlled with a dial. Classic Mercedes came with box-style headlights, the crown, your same grille, and my favorite special from the previous owner, the S. This stands for Strada. Also came with one wiper that handles both sides of the windshield, and then the mechanism goes in and out. Talk about future and the past. Talk about styling. This is the most beautiful classic car I've ever seen, aside all those other ones that came with curves. But then look at the well-defined lines right from the start to the finish. And also one way to identify the 190E is these three stripes, which also came with wheel cups that look so stupendous with the whole design. The 190 doesn't have a switch or a button or a lever to help you open your trunk. The only thing you have is a key and then a mechanism to lock and unlock, which I always get wrong. How many times do you find a classic car with the original triangle? I'm going to preserve this till my kids see it. Our Mercedes-Benz 190 is a 1.8 liter engine with 4 cylinders and a 5-speed manual, and I painted my air filter red for some extra horsepower. Also comes with ABS braking systems. Now the interior comes with the 10th anniversary themed arcade. That's what the material is called. Most of the parts came in fabric with the arcade theme. Some of the door cards came with leather, but then I had to change it because it kept on peeling off. Steering wheel is very huge because I can barely fit in this. I never knew this car was that small till I bought it. My head literally hits the roof. I have a speedometer that doesn't work because I converted it to the carburetor. But then the other gauges sometimes display when they want. You have cassette trays over here to play all of those classics. You have your very simple dialed AC system, which I'm yet to fix again. You have your sunroof in this place. It's a very big rear view mirror. Then you have a compartment for your glove box. One thing I don't like about this car is the fact that it has no cup holders on the armrest, and you definitely don't even have an armrest. So they give you cup holders level of this, which isn't very practical unless maybe your cups were made to fit with this. Then you have the lights. This is classic Mercedes-Benz where they kept the switches to your headlights on the left side. Now to the back seat, which I barely fit. First time being in the back seat. I haven't adjusted this, but then this is how I seat. I have to take the backrest way back so I can fit my long head in this place. And God, it's so hot in here. But then you still have the arcade seats in here, which is beautiful. The Mercedes-Benz 190E is a very small compact car. Join me on this journey whilst I tell you the full history and the things I want to do with my Mercedes-Benz 190E on my new channel, the Strada Collective, powered by Cars Worth Driving. Follow Cars Worth Driving on Instagram or YouTube, and then also subscribe to Strada Collective, where I show you all the cars that I'm collecting, cars that came with history, cars that I actually love and I want to keep. It's gonna be nice on this journey, actually. I'll see you. Take off my key. I got it, and subscribe.